Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max MSP. Max MSP is a powerful visual programming language designed for creating interactive music, audio, and multimedia applications. Its core concept revolves around connecting objects with patch cords, much like building a modular synthesizer. This intuitive patching environment allows you to manipulate sound, video, and data in real time, offering immense creative freedom for artists and developers alike. We'll cover the fundamentals to get you started on your creative journey. To begin, you'll create new objects by simply typing their names into the patcher window. For instance, type cycle tilde to generate an audio oscillator. Connect objects by dragging patch cords from an object's outlet to another's inlet. A number object can display and control values, while the tilde symbol, like in cycle tilde, signifies an audio rate object. Understanding these basic connections is crucial for building any functional patch. For real-time interaction, incorporate user interface objects such as slider or toggle into your patch. These allow you to dynamically control parameters. You can also use message objects to send specific commands to other parts of your patch. The print object is invaluable for debugging, letting you observe data flow in the Max console. Remember to lock your patch to interact with these UI elements effectively. Once you've mastered the basics, you can expand Max MSP's capabilities significantly. Explore external objects and packages, which offer extended functionality beyond the core library. Organize complex patches into manageable, modular units using subpatches. Max MSP also integrates seamlessly with other software through MIDI and OSC protocols. Don't forget to experiment with Jitter for advanced video processing and Gen for creating highly optimized code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.